it's 14 August 2021, later in the day, and I've taken this Sanyo MR-FF2 apart, and just one speaker, and I've also flipped the speakers. So this is the speaker that goes on that side. This is the bad speaker, all right, and this is the good speaker. All right, so we play some music here. All right, so hit play. Well, that's a good one. This sounds cleaner, and this doesn't sound very good. Alright, so what I'm trying to show you here is that this is, while this is a good speaker and everything, is playing on the channel that was playing bad, which was this channel here, which I simply, because I flipped the speakers to prove that this speaker is bad. So what I've done is, in the course of my day here, I've searched for, I'm going to plug this in so I can sound, right? So I have searched on the internet, and well, golly, all right, let me see if I can zoom in here. I have searched on the internet to find, that's pretty close. I've searched on the internet to find this speaker here, which can be had for $17.11. It's the right size, and it's $208 for shipping, so it'd be like $19 for one. I'm sorry, for two speakers. Thing is, I don't like these speakers because these are 6-ohm speakers. So I found another pair that is $17. Wait. Okay, they're both the same price, but this one is a better speaker. But this is only one speaker for $17.11 and $2.99 shipping. So this will be the one I'm going to get because it has a better magnet to it, as opposed to the other one here, which has a smaller magnet. I don't know if you can see in this picture, but so it'll be, I've ordered from this people before, and so this is a anyway, it'll be about 3 weeks for these speakers to arrive, and the speaker will be what, $17.11 plus $2.99, so that's like oh gosh, it'd be $20.10 times 2, so it'd be $40.20 for replacement speakers installed. Well, that, and I'll service the model, and so on and so forth. So I just want to let you know that. So I'll have to wait for time to go by for the speakers to get here, and then I'll install them. In the meantime, I'll work on other radios. So, but this speaker here, like I said, is good, but I'm going to get a pair of speakers because I want to have a matched sound, because I don't know what the sound would be if I replace just one speaker, or I replace this one speaker here and then have this other speaker and they sound differently. So let me take this thing off the cameras, off the thing, just give you a close-up view of something. See, this has a flat surround, okay? It is It's a flat surround. It's got a big magnet on the back. Okay, and this is a. Let me pull that up. I'm trying to do all this. Let's see here. Oops. So this is the speaker right there. It's a Sanyo T4600, but you search the internet for that and you can't find that. So I have to have these dimensions of the speaker. So it has to be 100. Has to be a speaker panel size of 92 millimeters, and then a diagonal screw of 100 and adjacent. Oh gosh. Anyway, adjacent screw of 72, and so these right here, they have the proper measurements. Okay, that's a little bit smaller. That's 88 versus 92, but the 71 is close to the 70. And then the, see, wait. Yeah, so those two, and then the, wait, come back. And then the 71 millimeter adjacent screw hole size is similar to this one here. And the bottom line is that you have to be able to have this speaker to fit in here to match up with the holes. All right. And so, because the way this speaker box is designed, I cannot use this Pioneer car speaker to fit in here, which is, while this will fit in here, the screw holes will not line up. Okay, so I can't mount this in here. Now I do have another pair of speakers without this two-way in here, meaning it's a dual cone, which are installed in a different radio, which is this here. Those have the dual cone in there, but they won't fit either because they have the same screw pattern, which won't allow that to fit. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this, but, well, yeah, you can see it. Of course you can see it. But this screw pattern won't fit in place because this thing is just too big. Right diameter speaker, almost. Still a bit big, but this is a 3.5 inch speaker. This is a 4 inch, so that's where we're at. So I have to order new speakers for this, right? So, you know, that's what I have to do to make this work perfectly. And of course now, the last little thing is it won't have this, it won't have the chrome dome thing, because it'll be dark. So if you gotta have that, well, can't help you there. But so it'll look like this here. Okay, so I'm just shooting a video showing you what I've gone through to find on the internet what is available that will fit into this box, because if you're trying to find this exact speaker, it's not going to happen because it's simply not manufactured as a replacement part anymore. Okay, so good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed, and I've got many other things to work on. Bye-bye.